Now we're going to show you how to build the stockade gates. There are many ways you could brace a stockade gate, but today we're going to show you an X brace. Either measure your opening and deduct an inch to know how big to make your gate, or even better, you should cut your gate so that you don't have to split a picket, and then set your opening an inch bigger than the gate. The gate will always look better with complete pickets. Take a speed square on the corner of the section and make sure your piece of fence is square. Now take a tape measure and mark the center of the gate. Place a rail on a diagonal from the center of the gate to each corner. Use a straight edge to draw a line where the back rail and the diagonal rails meet. Then you are going to cut those lines with a circular saw. Repeat this process 4 times. Now place the rails into the gate and make an X. At this point, you should also make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can benefit from this instruction. So hit that like button, it helps us a lot. Next, you are going to pre-drill each end of the diagonal brace into the fence back rails. Always pre-drill before you screw to avoid splitting and cracking. Now you are ready to screw the X brace into the fence back rails. Once the brace is screwed into position, the gate is ready to hang. First, pre-drill the hinges and the latch rod onto the gate. Then, screw the hinges and the latch rod onto the gate. Next, screw the hinges onto the hinge post. Make sure your gate is level before you secure the hardware. Place the latch on the latch post and close the gate. Make sure the latch rod and the latch line up. If the alignment is good, make a mark, then open the gate so it's out of the way. Now place the latch against your mark and screw the latch into the latch post. Now you have to secure the pickets to the brace. We simply hammer picket nails into the front of the pickets along the whole length of the brace. Here is the complete stockade gate. This gate is made of spruce stockade, but you can follow the same process for cedar stockade. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future uploads. Our next video is a full stockade fence installation where we will teach you step by step how to install this fence. Stay tuned.